Good morning and welcome to your 10-minute yoga practice. We're going to ease into our day with a nice gentle stretch, just releasing our muscles, any tension from the night before. Going to do a tiny little bit of breath work just to come into our breath and into our body and just calm our system down and just ease gently into our day. And the best part about it is you're going to do it all from your bed. So you want to begin from the moment you wake up. If we give our brain, they say, any longer than 5 seconds to think about something, we've already found enough excuses not to do anything. So don't give your brain any time to think about it. As soon as you start sensing yourself waking up, begin by rubbing the palms of your hands together to create some heat, to create some friction, to bring some warmth into your palms. And before you even open your eyes, bring the heels of your palms into your eyes, your fingers resting on your forehead, and just allow that heat to relax the muscles around your eyes, just giving them a gentle massage, and then spreading that heat and warmth throughout your face, and then bringing your palms just a couple of centimeters away from your face, and slowly blink your eyes open, and let your palms be the first thing you see for the day. This allows you just to slowly enter your day. Our eyes absorb so much energy. Every time we look around, we are igniting our brains, firing up our brains to process more information. Instead, just limit what we see just to our palms, just to connect with our body, connect with ourselves. And also the God of wisdom is located in your palm, so a really great way to start your day with a little touch of wisdom. Then releasing your palms up overhead, stretching your fingers out behind you, lengthening down through your toes, pointing your toes, stretching the tips of your fingers to the tips of your toes, perhaps yawning and releasing and easing into your day. And then stepping your right leg over to the right side of your bed, and then bringing your left leg to meet it, perhaps crossing your left ankle over your right. Bringing your right palm out to the side, bringing your left arm to meet it, but keeping both hip bones, both of your hips pressing into the bed. Finding your breath here, feeling a stretch through the left side of your torso. If it's too much in your lower back, perhaps uncross your legs. Just creating the shape of a C, a banana in your pose. Stepping your left foot back into center and then your right, bringing your arms back to the middle. And then step your left foot out to your left and bring your right to meet it or cross it over. Bringing your left arm and then your right over towards your left side, but keep that right hip pressing into the bed. Stretching through that right side of the torso. And then releasing back into center, bending your knees, bringing your knees up into your chest and giving yourself a nice big hug, hugging your knees into your chest, releasing your lower back, starting your day with kindness and nice love and self-care for yourself. Then extending that left leg long along the bed and your foot is flexed. Really bring that right knee up in towards your right armpit, really opening up through the hips, allowing yourself to sink into the bed, holding no tension in your shoulders, keeping both feet flexed. And finding your nice deep inhale and exhale here. And releasing the sole of that right foot onto the bed, perhaps tucking your toes slightly under your left thigh, scooching your hips over to the right, and with your left hand just gently guide that right knee down towards the bed. Extending your right arm out to the side, maybe looking over your right shoulder, gently guiding your knee towards the mattress. But keeping your right shoulder plunging into the bed. If your right shoulder is lifting up, lift your knee up slightly so you can release your shoulder and your twist can come in your torso. Coming back to center, this time bending your left knee and bringing your right ankle to rest just above your left knee. Thread your hands through to grab the back of your left thigh. Both feet are flexed and you gently guide and help bring your left knee towards you, creating an opposite action with your right knee. So you're bringing your left knee in and your right knee out. You can even help your right knee slightly with your right hand. For reclined pigeon, chin is slightly tucked so the back of the neck is long. Finding nice deep inhales and exhales here, really getting juicy into your hips. Then bringing the sole of the left foot down into the mattress, lifting up with your right foot, flexing that right foot as if you're stretching and trying to stand on the ceiling. Your hamstring will probably feel super tight first thing in the morning. Perhaps give it a little massage. Just feel it releasing, lengthening. And then releasing, bending that knee, changing sides, so lengthening the right foot out along the bed, having your left knee bent. With your hands, just gently guide that knee towards your left armpit. Both feet are flexed. Opening up through your hips, just releasing and relaxing into the bed. Shoulders are away from the ears. Lengthening through the back of the neck. Chin is slightly tucked. And then bringing the sole of the left foot into the mattress, maybe tucking the toes slightly, sliding your hips to the left with your right hand, guiding that left knee to the bed. Left arm out along the bed as you look over that left shoulder, but keeping that left shoulder plugging into the mattress. Feeling your lower spine, your lower back releasing. Ironing out any kinks from the night before. Finding your breath. Releasing back to center. Bending your right knee, bringing the sole of the foot into the bed. Crossing your left ankle just below your right knee, threading your hands in between your legs, just grabbing the back of that right thigh. Both feet are flexed as you bring that right knee towards you, perhaps using your left hand to guide your left knee in the opposite direction, not putting too much force into either of these actions, just gently guiding it and supporting it, just easing into your day, not forcing into your day. Finding your breath here. Nice deep inhales and exhales. And releasing that right foot to the bed, extending your left up towards the ceiling. Perhaps giving your back of your thigh and your hamstring a massage, waking it up. It's super tight first thing in the morning, you'll find they'll lengthen throughout the day. Being gentle with yourself here. Then releasing, bending that knee, bringing both knees in towards your chest again as you create big circles with your knees. So bringing your knees out wide, releasing them down, then bringing them back in towards your chest. Creating nice big circles, really opening up through those hips. And then bringing the soles of the feet together, allowing your hips and your knees to open up wide. Here you can use your pillows to support you underneath your knees. So there's less tension or less of a stretch in your hips. And then bringing your right hand to your belly and your left hand to your heart. We're going to lengthen and come into our breath. So we're going to take a nice deep inhale, and as you inhale, feel your chest and your left hand expanding, and then your right as your belly, your lower diaphragm expands. Exhale, releasing your belly, and then your chest. Inhale, feel your chest expand, and then down into your belly. Exhale, releasing your belly back towards your spine, contracting then in your chest. Let's create the same length on the inhale as on the exhale. So inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Releasing your hands, bringing your breath back to your normal rhythm. And with your hands, just gently guide your knees back together, moving your pillows out of your way so you can just gently roll over onto your right side, perhaps cupping your head in the crook of your right arm, just feeling supported by yourself, by the bed, by the earth. And then using your left hand, come push yourself up to tabletop position, finding your wrists underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips, and allow your belly to drop, lift up through your heart as you come into cat and cow. So opening your chest and your heart for cow. And then exhale, tuck your chin round your spine, push the bed away from you for cat. drop the belly, lift the heart, look up for cow. Exhale, tuck the chin, drop the tailbone, lift up through the belly, push the belly away with your hands. Inhale, drop that belly, lift the tailbone, lift the heart, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, round the spine. Coming back into neutral, back into tabletop. Giving yourself some space on the bed as you walk your hands out in front of you. Coming to rest on your chest and your chin as you look out long along the bed. Toes are still tucked, tailbone high in the sky. For puppy pose, playful puppy. Finding your breath here as you're stretching and opening across the chest, the shoulders, into the throat and the neck. Walking your hands back, untucking your toes, toes to touch, knees wide as you settle into child's pose. Forehead to the bed. Tailbone coming back towards the heels. Walking your hands up towards your knees, making sure you're not coming off the end of the bed. Your knees are parallel with your hips. Walk your hands one hand's width behind you and open up through your chest and your heart. Allow your tailbone to drop. Let your head hang back. Open up through your chest and your heart. Opening your heart to the day and all it holds for you. Tucking your chin, rolling up, and then come to comfortable cross-legged seated position. You can use your pillows here again to help you, to prop you. So just come to sit on the edge of your pillow so that you can have that slight tilt in your pelvis so you're not collapsing into your lower back. Instead, you've got that slight tilt, peeling the flesh from you away from your sitting bones so you come up nice and tall with a long spine. Inhale, lift your chest, allow your shoulders to roll back and down. And then inhale, bring your arms, sweep them up nice and wide, but bring your shoulders away, lift your heart. As you exhale, bring your right hand to your left knee, your left fingertips out behind you. Inhale, create length through the spine, and exhale, twist, look back over your right shoulder. You can use some of the strength of your right bicep to gently push into the back of your top of your spine just to create extra length. Inhale, come back through center, releasing the twist, looking up. Exhale, coming to the opposite side, left hand to right knee, right fingertips out behind you. Inhale, create that length in your spine. And then exhale, rotate and look back over that shoulder. Twists are great to do first thing in the morning. They detoxify your organs. You're kind of squeezing, putting pressure on the blood supply to your organs. And so as you inhale, release, coming back to center. Exhale, hands to knees. So when you release your twist, you reignite to send fresh blood through the system and help detoxify your organs. And let's just close our practice, bringing our palms into Anjali Mudra prayer pose in front of our heart. And just gently close your eyes, take yourself back in. And perhaps set an intention for the rest of your day. Perhaps start your day as you mean to go on. Perhaps set an intention to bring more kindness to yourself. Or perhaps give yourself more time, more space to breathe. Or perhaps to drop a bad habit. Or perhaps to drop some of the negative chatter that goes on in your mind. Whatever it is for you, start your day with an intention to visualize it, how you'd like the rest of the day to unfold. And then slowly release your hands to your knees, gently blink your eyes open, and you're ready to face the rest of your day.